Pop-up menus. Pop-up menus are menus in menu profile. Pop-up menus can be opened and paused with the help of command pop-up. Let us learn about pop-up menus in our demo data company. Pop-up menus. To check the configuration of pop-up menus, let us take example of Metro POS setup. Let us run POS, log on, and then run this Metro POS. And here you'll be seeing that this kind of interface where journal is appearing in the middle, and then there are buttons left hand side, right hand side, and then these are there are few menus. And if I go to left hand side and right click here and go to menu properties, here you'll be finding that the menu ID is M1 open belonging to POS menu profile Metro, and then menu type is menu, and then in the lines here the three different pop-up menus are linked in these three lines. So first, and whenever we configure a pop-up menu, that goes with the command pop-up, and then the menu ID will be the parameter which need to passed. So first three lines, these lines belong to pop-up menus. So three pop-up menus are appearing in this case. So let's see the behavior of a pop-up menu. I'm closing it, and if I click on item, here you can see that this pop-up menu is appearing. And when I right click and go to menu properties, from here I can see that this is the menu which just popped up, and these are the options or buttons which are available in this pop-up menu. Similarly, another example of pop-up menu, if I click on void, and here you can see that this menu is also a pop-up menu providing the options for voiding a line, voiding a transaction, and then going back to previous menu, in this case this screen. The third example which we are having in this Metro POS, this one, and if I click here, again this pop-up is appearing with various functions related to POS, whether checking the price or changing the price or providing a line discount amount or percentage or changing a quantity, etc. So from here we can see the configuration of these pop-up menus. And if I go to button property for void, and here you can see that with the command pop-up this menu is appearing. So the pop-up menu appears, whereas for normal menu, so if I click on the operations, and from this arrow you can see that there is a further menu. So if I click on operations, from here you can see that these are those operations which are available under operations menu. If I go back and show you again, right click here and go to button properties, from here you can see that the command is in this case menu 3, and parameter is passed for M1 operations, and it's opening up a menu. Same we can see from by going into menu properties, and here you can see that for operations we have menu 3 and command menu 3, and then this operations menu is appearing. So this is the difference between the menu and pop-up menu. So pop-up menu will be appearing like a pop-up which we have seen for void item, price, quantity, and discount button. and whereas the other type of menu, the normal menu, will be appearing by replacing the existing menu. If I go to operations, and now you can see that the operations menu is appearing in this way.